Hello everyone and everywhere. In this video I will show you how to make apps look different on iPhone, how to make your iPhone apps look cool. We will do this by sum of options on iPhone and by one app. Let's get started. First step. Go to the last page on iPhone. Press and hold the screen. Take a screenshot now. Now from the App Store, we download the application Quick Widget. Now click Open. Click Allow. Large. Add. Now you can choose any widget. I will choose this one. Now, if you want to change the location of any application in this form, just click on the application icon and choose the other application. Now we want to remove the background. Click here. Now choose Set. Click Set. Now choose the screenshot that we took before. Go to the app, click Save. Because the application is free, we only need to watch the ad for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, close it from here. Now we will go to the iPhone screen to add the shape. Press and hold the screen, swipe the screen to the left, click on the plus sign, choose this widget, choose the large one. Click anywhere on the screen. Now keep a light pressure on the widget. You will see this option. Click Edit Widget. Select Widget. Now this is the final shape. Thank you for watching and I hope you will like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments. See you